Welcome to Raigurkul.com. In this video, we'll discuss about Jira Product Discovery in 2024. Whenever you are working with the Jira Product Discovery, there's interesting new features are added. I will explain you end to end which all components you can use to make your life easier in terms of Jira Product Discovery. Whenever you will click on project, you will be able to jump on the screen where you will see all the ideas which is listed here. This is a detailed insight or table or visual interactions available. By using that, you can make choice which ideas you work on it. Whenever you want to create a new idea, click on new idea and this will be added. After adding summary, goals, comments, insight, impact, efforts and roadmap, this will be added successfully. If you want, you can even click on this arrow where it will expand or hide the number of fields which is available in any idea. Whenever you want, you can add the goal sections or add edit fields, sort ascending, remove from the view or view as a board. All those fields will be added successfully. Comments, whenever you want, you can add the comments. Insight, impact, efforts and roadmap. Everything is available here. If you want, you can increase or decrease the number of fields whichever is available here. Let's consider I wanted to disable this. So created will be disabled or hidden from this view. And if I want a customer segments, I can easily add it from here where the customer segments will be listed here and I can see this customer segments are available. So based on your requirement, you can even add or remove the fields from this board, which will help you to give the detailed insight about the products or discovery phase. Next, if you want, even you can apply the sorting options where the sortings are available based on the category assigning comments. It means based on the fields. If you want, even you can apply the filter. Adding the filter is basically very easy. From here, you can just select the fields and this filter will be added successfully. And if you want, even you can remove it by just clicking on ribbon icon. The group by sections available where by default groups are category, which you can even change it to creator, customer segment, display. Any sections you want, you can apply the group by sections and this will be added successfully. This is all your idea components where even you can add the comments from here. If you want, or if you're done with idea creations, whenever you'll click on publish, this will be published successfully, which will be available for your organizations. And at any point of time, you want to just share among the teams or external stakeholders, you can just click on share items, add the team members or copy the link and share with any of your team members. And at any point of time, I want to share the images or CSV format. I can easily download it from this view. And expansion is much easier here, where even we can see this detailed table into expanded view. This is how we can curate or see the idea creations whenever we want. We can just add it, minimize it, or even add or remove the fields. At any point of time, I want to enable the autosave options. I can easily do it by this options. So it's very simple and UI friendly environment available in Jira Discovery. Now let's understand the other components which is available here. Now next is impact assessment, which is prioritization of your idea before deciding and what goes in your roadmap. In this example, we can calculate an impact score based on the impact fields and the number of insights. We can create our own formula based on field in this project. We can customize everything in this view, even this descriptions, roadmap focused on outcomes, create a non-time based roadmap and share in discussions with the stakeholder. Here, if we can see impact are basically you can select any of those fields and create delivery tickets. You want, you can archive it, delete it, or if you want, even you can merge this idea together, which is very quick enough. Here you have the customer segments available. At any point of time, you can increase or decrease number of fields which is available in the screen. You can easily do it. And whenever you're done, you can even always publish it. So this is how we can customize this fields on impact analysis. Next is impact versus effort. Here you can see a very detailed bubble sorts where you can analyze your data where we are lying. At any point of time, you can also make your own customizations, like click on this plus icon, and based on the area of improvements, you can add the ideas and improve this graph. So this is the matrix which is available to compare ideas on matrix, identify quick wins or big bets. Here you can see impact versus effort to quickly identify low efforts and big impact of the idea. In the field sections, you can add a filter, which based on the filter, it will show us the field value. Here, you can also change the impact. Let's consider we have selected impact. I want to go ahead with the assigning. I can modify the fields, and based on this data, I can see the view. As of now, I'm again reverting it back to the impact. Exactly similar way, we can also modify the x-axis value, where instead of impact, I want to keep the insights. You can see this graph got changed. That's how we can customize it. And at any point of time, you want to reverse the order of value, you can also do that. So x-axis will become a y-axis and y-axis will become an x-axis value. This is how you can change the graph values and see the total impact versus effort. So this is a detailed matrix. We can even customize it totally depending on the requirement. And as I mentioned in the previous states, like all ideas, you can also enable the auto save options, which will help you to quickly save these items on the regular basis. Now, next is product roadmap. As I mentioned, roadmap focused on the outcomes, where you can see now, next, and the latter fields. So now represents well defined ideas that will impact for the developers and currently who is working on it. Next is what they are going to pick it up, and the latter, the phase which they are going to pick it up in the latter stage. And if they have deferred anything, it will go into the won't do status. But you can add or remove any number of fields based on your requirements, and whichever fields you add, this will be available here. I want to hide this, I can add it here or hide this area. And post you're done, you can just publish it, and whenever you will publish it, this will be available for your team members. In product timeline, even you can see the product timeline, which will shares engineering and customer facing teams, where you can customize everything in this view. In you can have the day specific or time specific details like April to June, June to September, October to December. So this is a quarterly insights which is available in the product timeline view. Even you can change this depending on your requirements. You want to start with the project start or project end date, so you can always add the filter, and based on that it will display the details. Rest all components are exactly same like previous stages, like impact assessments and all ideas. So in Jira Product Discovery, we have the exactly similar type of approach. So that's how you can see the timeline view. Next is delivery status. In the delivery status, if you wanted to view about the view, when we are ready to start delivery on an idea, create a corresponding tickets in your team's backlog in Jira software to use existing tickets. Delivery progress and delivery status both are available, where you can see project target. So what is the target dates for each of the items? Specifications ready, designs ready, delivery progress or delivery status. All those fields are highlighted based on whatever fields you will select. In more view options, you will also have the custom framework, which can help you to create your own view. And based on that, you can apply within your project sections. In new view options, again, you can create new view totally depending on you. How I explain into the impact versus effort, you can build your own view and save it. Whenever you want, you can just jump on this to have a look on it. From here, you can create a new view, and in this section's project setting is helping us to create our detailed project setting in Jira Product Discovery. So this is the complete insight about product discovery, which is helping you to give a visual impact on any projects, what's going on, what is the impact versus effort, everything you can manage it or see it from here. And because this application is very UI friendly, you can always customize it totally depending on your need. If you're working on any aspect, you want to change that aspects or change that view, you can easily do it by using Jira Product Discovery. That's all from this video. If you enjoyed the content and you want to learn more about product discovery, feel free to add in the comment sections. I will be happy to come up with new videos on this specific product. That's all from this. Hope you enjoyed the content. Feel free to add your feedback and suggestions in the comment sections. This will always help me to come up with new ideas or curations. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.